Hello and welcome here at our IDS headquarters, the B39 Innovation Center. An eventful year lies behind us. But today and the following months, we are not going to look back. We are going to have a look into the future of IDS. Since many trade shows and events had been cancelled last year, a major way of communication with our customers and our vendors has been missing. IDS stands for innovation. So we created a way to communicate, to connect, and to educate. A way for our customers to find solutions for their machine vision challenges. Therefore, we start today the IDS Vision channel. IDS is looking for new ways in how to interact with clients, and especially in how to build the best solution, the best products for all your needs in machine vision. Founded in 1997 as a company for frame grabbers, IDS developed fast and has taken the bold step to become one of the first companies using USB interface in industrial cameras. Remember, at this time, Firewire was the state-of-the-art interface in cameras. 2 years ago, we took our first steps with artificial intelligence. We believe this is the biggest change in machine vision in the recent years. Today, our roadmap focuses on artificial intelligence. With IDS NXT, we created a powerful solution for users to easily use artificial intelligence in their own application. Last December, we started our AI marketplace. There you can find many ready-to-go AI solutions for all your machine vision challenges. According to our motto, it's so easy. During this keynote, we want to show you a glimpse of how IDS creates innovation, from idea to product. Let's start with our product management department.
Hello, my name is Carsten Traupe. I'm the head of product management with IDS. We in product management see ourselves as the nucleus for new product ideas. For this, we are constantly monitoring the markets, technology and technology providers and our competitors to bring exciting new products to life. Let me make an example. This is the IDS Next. This is a complete vision system in the form factor of a standard industrial camera. Such a development would have not been possible years ago, and it's based on the unrivaled performance enhancements of the so-called SoCs and the reduced power they consume. We try to think ahead what would resonate with our customers, what would make their life easier, and how can we help them reduce their costs. Let me make another example. This is the XLE, our most recent camera family, which comes at a very attractive price. To make this possible, we constantly visit and listen to our customers, what would help them, what are their needs. And we cover then from paradigm shifting concepts like deep learning and embedded vision, core technology like which sensor to use and which interface, to usability enhancement in our software. We combine these different views for our fascinating product following the IDS It's So Easy paradigm. This means IDS provides products with the best user experience in the market. So for this, we write market-driven requirement specification with 4P scope. 4P stands for product, price, place, and promotion. So we are not only worry about the product's features, also what's the right price point for the market, what are the right channels to market, and also what is the right message to the market. Once the product is ready, the PM becomes the evangelist of the new product, sharing his enthusiasm with internal and external stakeholders and achieving the breakthrough of the product in the market. Of course, after the product is on the market, we are constantly monitoring the product throughout its life cycle, bringing new features into the product, making sure the price resonates still with the market until the product is at its end of its life cycle, is discontinued, and introduce a successor product. We can do this through constant exposure with customers and other market players and keep our knowledge up to date. So you see, we see ourselves in a very entrepreneurial role, in the role of the CEO of the product. With our market expertise, we support our management board to bring IDS forward. You will meet my team in various talks in the IDS Vision channel, so stay tuned. Now, let me hand over to Marco, who leads the R&D department, who has a major share in that our fascinating product ideas come to life.
Hi guys, I'm Marco, head of the R&D department. I'm responsible for turning the dreams and wishes of the product management into real products. In the entire R&D department, 80 employees work in the various disciplines of research, hardware development, software development, industrial engineering, testing and rapid prototyping. Here at IDS, we have the great advantage that we have all the disciplines at one location. This allows short ways for exchange and consultation without time delay. This enables us to react quickly and very flexible to any changes. You are probably now asking yourselves the question, what is meant by the R&D at IDS? Let's take a closer look at the following mind map. The research department deals with new technology and market trends in the field of machine vision, including new components such as sensors, FPGAs, and system on chip, as well as new trends and technologies in the area of vision software. In the area of hardware development are tasks of design for all mechanical components, as well as the development of complete electronic assemblies for our cameras and operating equipment. In software development, we deal with all tasks related to our software packages. IDS Software Suite, IDS Peak, IDS NextOcean. The subdisciplines include firmware, kernel, driver, software development kit, graphical user interface, and web-based programming. Test, validation, certification includes all internal development tests and external certifications. This ensures that at the end of the development process, a high-quality product is created that complies with the specification of our product management and the legal guidelines of other countries. Rapid prototyping is one of the most important factors for a very variable and fast product development. This enables us to manufacture all components for a prototype within R&D expect for the raw PCB. In industrial engineering, we develop and assemble test devices for use within R&D and our production. Let's take a quick look at the way we work in R&D. The complete development process is ISO 9001 certified and structured by a 10-step gate quality system. This ensures that during the development process, the quality and the progress of the product is monitored. The development department takes over the product request in the form of a market package from the product management and hands over a product ready for serious production, including the operating resources at the end of the development. The hardware development runs according to the waterfall principle. In the software development, we rely more and more on the Scrum-based software development. Despite our large camera portfolio, there is not a suitable solution for every customer requirement. That's why we offer the possibility to customize our products for you. Now you got an overview of our R&D department and what we offer to our customers. But R&D is only a part of the way of a product. Now you still need the necessary parts to assemble and manufacture a camera. For this reason, we work very closely together with the operations department, about which my colleague Alex will now report in the next part. I hope you could follow me and understand my English. Unfortunately, I'm not a native English speaker, but an original Swabian speaker. Thank you.
Thanks, Marco. One of the major learnings in the past years was the early integration of the purchase department into the development team of our IDS products. But why is it so important to integrate the purchasing department into the product development process right from the beginning? Because the purchasing department can use their worldwide partner network in order to assure long-term availability, which is one of the main requirements in our market and for our customers. Furthermore, we can guarantee short lead times for serial production because time to market is important for us and for our customers in a fast-moving market. And attractive pricing, which is important to place a product successfully on the market. In order to achieve all this directly from the concept stage of a new product, our advanced purchasing team is in very close contact with the hardware development team in order to select and to define the components together. Putting all these facts together, we can develop competitive products in a competitive time period. The next big topic in operations is the supply and the delivery chain of the future. The main reasons for our customers to purchase products at IDS is that we are reliable, fast, and environmentally friendly. Our purchasing department has to assure that the required components for over 2,500 products are in stock in order to produce and ship our products within a short lead time. In order to guarantee the availability of our parts, we use a fully automated warehouse system. You will see a few insights from our warehouse system. This is a fully automated system which follows the goods-to-person principle. This means that the entire warehouse system movements takes place in parallel and automated in the background. Comparing this system to a conventional storage system, the system optimizes the volume utilization, dynamics, energy efficiency, and expandability. Thus, this system is one of the most efficient warehouse systems in the whole world. And with the system, IDS reduced the space requirements by over 50%. Besides this fully automated warehouse system, IDS started 2 years ago to assemble our own PCBs in-house in order to have a second source for being even more reliable to our customers. For being fast in our supply chain and to support Germany as an industrial location, IDS relies on partners in Germany for the procurement of our mechanical parts and the electronic assembly. We have, with almost all our suppliers in the whole world, frame contracts agreements and defined safety stocks in order to be even more fast and reliable. Besides this, to be environmental friendly, we have firmly anchored the topic of Go Green and sustainability in our long-term goals for the company. Since 2020, we have a completely plastic-free shipment packaging, and we are in contact with our partners in order to find alternatives to plastic shipments together. Since end 2020, we have our first carbon-neutral camera family, and beside this, all deliveries to our customers are also carbon neutral. Our big aim for 2021 for the whole company is that the IDS headquarters is going to be carbon neutral as well. Year by year, the whole management team will define new environmental goals. Finally, to communicate all these important information and IDS product highlights into the world, we use the know-how of our marketing department. Thank you very much. Now I will hand over to my colleague Oliver.
Thank you, Alex, and thanks to you for watching our keynote. User behaviors and expectations change, not only, but much faster due to the coronavirus situation. Traveling, face-to-face meetings, fairs or conferences are not an option today. The way we network with each other, how we manage relationships or exchange ideas will not continue in the same manner after the pandemic. So how can we share information? How can we exchange with you, our customers, to keep business running for all of us? This surely demands the quick expansion of our digital communication channels, like our website. We give the highest priority to have it always up to date, clearly structured and easy to use. We also increase the use of our newsletters and social media channels to quickly provide you news and facts to our company and products. But is that enough? On the one hand, you have the pandemic with massive travel restrictions, contact restriction and economic losses. On the other hand, you have a global machine vision community with a high need for inspiration, exchange and business. But personal exchange is a must for future investments. And therefore, like Jan already said, we launched the IDS Vision channel. Its focus is on knowledge transfer and interaction. It brings our specialists to you conveniently on your screen in short but frequent live sessions and the opportunity to network with them afterwards. And if you don't have the time to be there live, then visit the channel's media library and see the session recordings on demand. The speakers come from a wide range of IDS disciplines, like product management, the R&D department, or our vision consulting team. And in addition, we invite guest speakers, like manufacturers of software, lenses, as well as innovative system integration partners or startups to inspire your business. As sharing knowledge is the answer to global challenges, we moreover expand the training program of our recently launched B39 Training Academy. The aim is to provide deep knowledge to you, our customers, our own employees, and to partners. And later on, hopefully soon, this will happen live again. Before I hand over to Sigrid, my colleague, I want to mention the AI Marketplace. Have you already seen this on our website? If not, Sigrid can tell us more.
Thanks, Olli. The AI Marketplace is a natural step from component supplier to solution provider, and the idea has the roots in our startup activity started in October 2018. To cooperate with startups is hard work, but the right way to innovative products and business models. The IDS DNA lies in the development of really good industrial cameras that are used in all kinds of industries. Our customers always desire better, more powerful and smaller cameras. And as a reply, we deliver new models year after year. But what will be in 10 or in 50 years? How will the change in image processing look like? Will industrial cameras still be needed in 15 years? Startups don't have the pressure to develop something further. Also, they can think differently about new developments and they usually come up with completely new products. Striking disruptive innovations of the last few years were brought to the market by startups. Working like a startup means implementing ideas quickly, with small money, even at the risk of the project failing. Working with startups doesn't only mean getting to know startups and cooperating with them, but also bringing the startup's way of working into one's own company. In the last 2 years, therefore, IDS co-organized and participated in hackathons, was part of a campus challenge with its own ideas, realized startup cooperation in a short time, and also started the first entrepreneurship project. But that isn't enough. One of the biggest challenges of the next few years in image processing is certainly the use of artificial intelligence and the possibilities it opens up for a wide range of areas. This is exactly the field in which many of the startups we cooperate are already working on. These young companies develop possible solutions in the AI surrounding, but often they have problems bringing their products to the market. Potential customers look for solutions for their image processing problems, but have no overview about which applications are already available or where they should look for them. New potential customers from areas that haven't played a role in industrial image processing yet are asking for complete solutions. With our AI marketplace, we solve these problems. In the consumer sector, we have been using the opportunities offered by marketplaces for several years now. The different marketplaces provide a quick overview, offer the products, and just with one click they get delivered to our home. We do the same now with AI image solutions. All providers of AI image processing have the opportunity to offer their solutions by using our marketplace, whether they are grown companies or startups. Customers have the possibility to search for their problem and can virtually contact the solution provider with one click. And now I want to hand over to Jan.
Many thanks to all colleagues for these exciting insights. For the next months, I wish you interesting talks, many machine vision insights, and great contacts at the IDS Vision channel. A company is not only defined by its products, but also by its knowledge and especially by its employees. IDS is not just any company. It's a company where the people inside matter the most.